How to clean your motorcycle wheels the quick and easy way. Step 1, get yourself 2 rags. Step 2, lemon pledge. Side note, get your motorcycle sand. It makes it a lot easier. And now, carefully spray the lemon pledge on the wheel as you rotate it. Try not to spray too much where you get it on the wheel. Now, you just spin the wheel and wipe it off. Make sure you get up in between the wheels too to get all of that out. And use your dry rag and you polish it off. These are aftermarket wheels, and you may think that you can't clean your stock wheels with that, but that's not correct. Let me show you. Spray it down and wipe it off. Here you go. Clean portion. Not clean portion. Lemon pledge. Quick and easy.